Both campfire rings in this demonstration are brand new and assembled right out of the package using the provided instructions. One is a Pilot Rock Swivel Grate campfire ring made in the USA, and the other an imitation import. The import is made using thinner, cheaper steel for the ring, compared to the thicker steel used on the Pilot Rock ring. Additionally, this Pilot Rock campfire ring uses 1/2 inch diameter solid steel bars for the cooking grate, while the import uses smaller, lighter bars. The swivel grate on the import imitation fire ring does not clear the top, and thus the grate scrapes against the ring as it turns. The Pilot Rock model FSW30 fire ring provides plenty of clearance under the cooking grate for easy operation. To operate the cooking grate on the imported ring, the handle moves over the fire, which can be extremely dangerous. On the Pilot Rock fire ring, the handle and your hand are never over the fire. Campfire rings in public campgrounds can be subject to vandalism. Please do not attempt this demonstration on your own, as it is intended only to show the difference in quality. Watch as an adult stands on the grates, first on the durable Pilot Rock fire ring grate. And second on the import imitation. This cheap imitation import campfire ring is made with lesser materials and poorly designed, and thus it is easily destroyed and can be dangerous. It is merely designed and built to a price point. Pilot Rock campfire rings include thicker steel plate and steel bars for strength, easy and safe cooking grate operation, high temp, non-toxic paint finish, a 5-year warranty, all from a U.S. manufacturer since 1959.